Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host Naveed Ahmed. Today I'm excited to explain the story of Lumbardars.
In the heart of rural Pakistan, beyond the bustling cities, lies a silent force. This is the world of the Lumbardar, the often unseen pillar of Pakistan's revenue collection system. Their story is one of dedication, resilience, and unwavering commitment to their communities. They navigate a complex web of social dynamics and administrative hurdles, serving as the crucial link between the government and the people. The role of the Lumbardar is deeply intertwined with the history and social structure of rural Pakistan. They are not merely tax collectors, but respected figures within their communities.
Lumbardars, predominantly found in Punjab and Sindh, are the local representatives of the Revenue Department. They are the bridge between the government and the landowners, playing a vital role in maintaining the intricate system of land revenue collection. Appointed by the government, they inherit a legacy steeped in tradition and responsibility. Their duties range from maintaining land records to collecting taxes and resolving land disputes. They possess an intimate knowledge of their communities, understanding the nuances of local customs and traditions. This knowledge is invaluable in navigating the complexities of land ownership, inheritance, and taxation. They often act as mediators, resolving disputes and ensuring social harmony within their communities. They are seen as trusted advisors, their opinions valued, and their counsel sought after. In a world where progress often threatens to erase tradition, they stand as a symbol of continuity.
The life of a Lumbardar is not without its challenges. They operate in a complex environment, often facing resistance from reluctant taxpayers and navigating a system burdened by bureaucracy. Resources are often scarce, forcing them to rely on their own ingenuity and limited means to carry out their duties. One of the most significant challenges they face is the lack of awareness and understanding regarding the importance of tax compliance. Many in rural communities view taxes as an imposition rather than a contribution to national development. This perception makes the task of revenue collection an uphill battle, requiring Lumbardars to employ persuasion and education to encourage voluntary compliance. Despite these obstacles, Lumbardars persevere, driven by a sense of duty and a commitment to serving their communities.
Despite the numerous obstacles they face, Lumbardars across Pakistan have achieved remarkable success stories. Their innovative approaches and unwavering commitment to their communities serve as a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. One such inspiring story is of a Lumbardar from a remote village in Punjab. Faced with low tax compliance rates due to a lack of awareness, he organized community meetings and educational workshops. His efforts resulted in a significant increase in tax compliance rates, transforming his village into a model for others to emulate. In another instance, a Lumbardar in Sindh tackled the issue of inefficient land record management by digitizing land records in his village.
The impact of Lumbardars extends far beyond the realm of revenue collection. By ensuring the efficient collection of land revenue, they contribute significantly to the government's coffers, enabling it to fund crucial development projects. These projects, ranging from infrastructure development to education and healthcare, have a direct impact on improving the lives of ordinary citizens. Moreover, their role as mediators and conflict resolvers contributes to maintaining peace and harmony within their communities. By addressing land disputes and resolving conflicts amicably, they prevent escalation of tensions and foster a sense of unity among villagers. This, in turn, creates a conducive environment for economic activity and social progress. In essence, Lumbardars are the unsung heroes of rural Pakistan.
As Pakistan progresses into the digital age, the role of the Lumbardar is poised for a significant transformation. The integration of technology into revenue collection systems presents both opportunities and challenges for these traditional figures. Embracing digital tools and platforms can streamline their work, improve efficiency, and enhance transparency. However, it also necessitates adapting to new systems, acquiring new skills, and bridging the digital divide that exists in many rural areas. The government is increasingly investing in digitizing land records and revenue collection processes. For Lumbardars, this presents a unique opportunity to leverage technology to their advantage. By embracing digital platforms, they can automate tasks such as record keeping, tax collection, and communication with government officials. Bridging this digital divide is crucial, requiring targeted training programs and capacity-building initiatives to equip them with the necessary skills.